Hello everyone, this is John. Welcome to Brainworks Puzzles and Quizzes. Have fun answering questions or solving a problem. I hope you enjoy this one. A man forgets to wind up his old grandfather clock and it stops. He has no other device for telling the time. He's been invited over to a friend's house for dinner and thinks of a way to set his clock to the correct time. As evening arrives, he sets off on foot to his friend's house, which is some distance away. He spends a pleasant evening, has an enjoyable meal and a glass of wine, and then walks back home. When he gets there, he sets his clock to the right time. How did he manage to do this? Press pause here to think, and when you're ready, continue playing to hear the solution. Before leaving home, he winds his clock up and sets it to exactly 12 o'clock. He walks at his normal walking speed, and as soon as he arrives at his friend's house, he notes the time. Let's say it's 7:15. He then enjoys his evening with his friend. As he leaves his friend to go home, he again notes the time. Let's say it's now 11:45. He now knows how long he has spent there. In our example, that's 4 hours 30 minutes. He walks home at his normal pace, and as soon as he gets there, he checks the time on his grandfather clock. Let's say that his clock shows 5:10. He now knows how long he has been away from home. In our example, that's 5 hours and 10 minutes. 5 hours 10 minutes minus the 4 hours and 30 minutes that he spent at his friend's house leaves 40 minutes of walking time. Half of this was the return journey. He left his friends at 11:45, so it is now 20 minutes later. He sets his grandfather clock to the correct time of 12:05. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed that and want more of the same, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye for now, and see you again soon on Brainworks.